Solutions for wetlands bird from Scramble Squares, starting with the first row and first tile. I will give you also an explanation how I found that solutions. Okay, second row. Second row is done. Last row. Okay, and here it is the solutions. Now, how I found it? Really easy. We'll try to put on the side this 6 tile and take a closer look at these 3 tiles. We have 2 times the same bird. Same for this one and same for this one. I always look for 3 tiles with 2 times the same elements. Try to put them together, and after I place the other 6 tiles. Sometimes the other 6 tiles will be on the right, sometimes on the left, but in this case I have 3 tiles on the right and 3 tiles on the left. That's the way I proceed. And if you need more Scramble Square solutions, you can check the playlist on the screen. Thank you very much.